So in physics, it is all about the keywords. Actually, across all of science, all of studying, it's all about the keywords, and they tell you what to do. All right. That is very different to command words. And we'll look at command words at some point. But today is about keywords and using formulas. The formula that we used last time, and we're going to use again today, is F equals MA. All right. Now, this is a recap. Now, in F equals MA, F stands for force. Okay, I'll put these keywords in here. F stands for force. This is always measured in newtons. Always, always, always newtons. Not kilonewtons, definitely not kilograms. Now, mass, that is M. M stands for mass. Okay. Mass is always in kilograms. Always, never grams. Always kilograms. And this is why we had an entire session on unit conversion. A is acceleration. Now, this you need to get used to. Acceleration is change of speed. Change is really important. I'm going to use the word speed. I could use velocity, but I'm not. I'm going to use speed. I would rather use velocity, but I don't want to get it too complicated yet. Change of speed. Okay. Its units are always meters and look very funny per second squared or per second. And again, you just get used to it thinking that's just normal. Right now you won't. You just look and think that's weird. Okay. So in question 1, a toy car has mass, keyword, of 2 kilograms. This is a value, and I check my units, and accelerates, keywords, at 3 meters per second. What force, keyword. Okay. You then have to look or remember which equation, which formula, has those keywords, force, mass, and acceleration. And I've put it in big words there, F equals ma. Whenever you have something written in maths, and maths is the language of science, and you have 2 letters next to each other, or 2 terms next to each other, it means times. Okay? So F equals m times a. So in this question, it says, what is the force? Well, I'm trying to find the force. Always work downwards, never work across. As I said to you, this is all about layout. And we always work downwards. F equals m, my mass, which is 2 kilograms. I substitute, change the m to a 2, times acceleration. Acceleration was 3 meters per second. I'm happy. 2 times 3. So my force equals 6 newtons. All right. Now, attempt it, lay it out properly. That is your task